Hello guys and welcome to Best Memes I Found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now, enjoy the video.
Is this your card?
No.
No. Check under your foreskin.
I'm literally the only person at the show. Look at this. We're going to the fucking moon! Jesus Christ!
Как сырок аммус. Бля.
Чого ви говорите, що я не можу відкривати майонез? Та я його можу відкривати.
We must up the place, turn up the place and make them all have fun.
Sounds so real. Like it's playing like right in here. Yo!
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4.
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
How I Met Your Mother.
There she is. So this is our first day. I'm just recording this because, you know, maybe we'll need this one day. God, she is beautiful. Oh my god. Hey.
Can we just go straight to your house and skip the day? I have to shit so bad.
Oh man, I love these.
Good morning, USA. I've got a feeling that it's gonna be.
Damn it! Oh my god, there's like 50 cats in here.
I went in and I bent down and I petted him, and all of a sudden you heard this like that. So the trainer says, get up very slowly and back up. So the tiger did. He slowly got up and backed out.
The bass drop.
Think he the better. We call him Elon Musk.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts.
You have good rhythm.
I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder how, I wonder why.
Watch. Okay, what's happening on top of that mountain is known as an anime fight scene. If you ever see this in person, get yourself to safety, and remember, this can go on for multiple episodes.
Dude, who's calling me? Oh, it's my sister? Oh, 1 second.
So apparently my sister is pregnant. I'm gonna be a dad! Alright, nice.
What's up, guys? I'm making garlic confit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gaddafi, that's so much oil. Gaddafi, we're eating straight garlic? On February 25th, 1991, while Iraqi troops were retreating from
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. W głowie myśli mam, kiedy skończy się ten stan, gdy już nie będę sam, bo wiedzie biały węgiel. Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam.
What have you done to me, you fucking bitch?
Door, get down here.
Oh, Father.
Don't do that.
So earlier, I had just started a playthrough of Spider-Man Miles Morales, and if you look to the background, you'll see a car with legs.
Y'all still serving?
We're actually stopping service for a minute while we're getting that situated. Yeah.
That's all.
Among Us.
Among Us.
Boom, 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 boom. What the fuck?
Ah! Oh, you did! He did! Hey! No!
Oh, it's you.
Can I have that lemon? Thanks.
Oh, that's okay. Only in LA. Only in LA you would see that.
He was jump roping and riding a bike.
That me someone and someone next to that guy, and now that guy is dead.
Me killed that guy for sure.
Who thinks who saw me?
Who?
No.
You see them?
Who saw someone and who saw me maybe?
Myself?
Who not sure?
Me saw who? Me saw who?
Dude, saw myself.
Me saw.
Oh, I've got a donut coming up for me. I've got a donut coming up for me. I've got a donut.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. But I had a praying grandma.
You.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Do it!
Caramelizes down. It's super fragrant and very, very sweet. That's going to literally give that wonderful flavour.
Bring that back up to the boil, and it'll have a slight crunch left in there.
Let the pan do the work and get that beautiful colour in there.
I don't even know who you are.
You sit that on top of there.
Happy New Year, Steven. How's my volume?
It's low.
Do you know? I can't remember.
Honey bun, sugar plum,
Sin City was a maybe.
Hey, you. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I am 24/7.
You know.
I wonder if Mike can do that.
Woo! What the fuck? Motherfucker! We will kill them all. I can't hold them! The ships have us pinned! No!
Help! Please! Someone! I'm going to die!
Diamonds, blooded, cup, mighty, bad bitches.
Next. Number one.
Sorry, mate. There you go.
Nice piece. Welcome. Next.
Okay.
Stop.
See that? All right. Now we're gonna let him try it. Put this glass down. Let's see it. Let's see it, Jack. I think he's missing what the meaning of stop is. Marley, what happened?
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.